How to fix God of War Ragnarok screen flickering issue on PS4 or PS5. 1. Consider switching to a monitor. 2. Install any update from the developer's side. 3. Other tips: play the God of War Ragnarok game in PS quality mode. Enable 120Hz output on your console. Change your game resolution, setting screen and video output resolution. Adjust screen and video settings on PS4/PS5. 1. Disable HDR. 2. Disable HDCP. 3. Change RGB settings, select limited or full. 4. Change screen resolution. Turn off VRR, variable refresh rate, on your PS5. Reboot your PS4/PS5 console. Boot PS4/PS5 into its safe mode. Try using the 4K video transfer rate. Check if you are using a bad HDMI cable. Update PS4/PS5 firmware. Update your monitor or TV firmware. Check The Last of Us, Part 1, Update. Clear The Last of Us Part 1 game data on your PS. Rebuild database in PS4/PS5 safe mode. Contact PlayStation support.